Your iron is dirty? No worries. All you need is salt. That's it. And pour it on the counter. Oh, you need way more than that. Keep pouring. Don't be shy. Now add your dirty iron onto the salt and rub it until clean. Make sure your iron is real hot. I guess it's your little workout. Rub it for a minute or two. There you go. Oh, look at that! A brand new iron. One Friday night? Had too much wine? Oops! Dropped some on the carpet? Oh no! A wine stain again? Oh wait, what did my grandma used to use? Right, peroxide. Pour some right on the stain. Use a clean rag and make sure to wet it so it's humid. And lay it on the stain. Remember the iron you revived? Just put it right on the stain and make sure it steams. Leave it for 10 to 15 seconds. Maybe 5 more seconds. There you go. Normal stain. Just to make it perfect, you can rub the excess. See? As brand new. We all know how it is in winter. Too much salt on your carpet car? Use vinegar and water. That's it. Pour half the amount of vinegar and half the amount of water. There you go, the perfect mix. Spray a really good amount on your carpet where you want it cleaned. And rub it with a toothbrush for a couple of minutes. And then wipe it with a rag, just for perfection, of course. See a difference? I certainly do. Always wanted to make your own Windex? Well, here's your chance. Watch out for your fingers. You need an orange. All you need is the peel. Save the rest for a snack. I know you're gonna be hungry after this. A lemon and a lime. Chef Ramsay, I think not. Take your time. Add the rosemary and the cinnamon. And of course, add the vinegar. Make sure to fill up the whole mason jar. Make sure to seal it really tight so it doesn't leak. After a couple of weeks, it will smell awesome. Add it in a bottle spray. Add some water to make some more. And there you go. I'm sure that's exactly what your house needs. See the proof? And voila! Out of wipes, create your own. Just with a Tupperware and a paper towel. Make sure to cut the paper towel as the same height as your Tupperware. Cut up the Tupperware in 4. Insert your paper towel in the Tupperware and add your homemade Windex, plus a little bit of water. Take out the center of your paper towel. Close the lid, and then voila! Your homemade wipies. It works so well. You ran out of wipes for your Swiffer? I know I always do. I have the solution. With an old sock, cover the Swiffer. It's a struggle, but you can do it. If you're as clumsy as I am, you really need it. It's perfect. A brand new Swiffer. Oh, you don't have an iron? No worries. Use a bowl. Add a generous amount of peroxide. And add some dish soap. The perfect mix. Now just add it with a spray bottle. You don't want to make any more mess, so use a funnel. Pour your mix and shake it well. There you go, a real scientific mix. Make sure to spray a good amount. Wow, it works just like magic. And then rub it in with a toothbrush. Not your brother's. And then wipe the excess with a clean rag. There you go, a brand new carpet. You have a lot of those unused old socks? I know what you can do with them. With a tongue, you can make your very own duster cleaner. Take an elastic to make sure your sock is not going anywhere. It's easy, even you can do it. Guess who's gonna have fun cleaning the blinds? You will. We all have shoes that we would love to revive. Well, it's your lucky day. With a rag, a toothbrush, and nail polish, you have the perfect solution. Just put some on a rag and rub it for a couple of minutes. Don't be shy to put some pressure on it. The toothbrush will help you take all the dirt off of the shoe. Use the muscles. Look, as white as your teeth. All clean. You see the difference? I guess someone's gonna be happy. Real friends, clean your shoes. If you're out of screen cleaner, there's a simple solution right in your kitchen. Use 3 bags of black tea and make sure the water is hot. Then let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. You will need a spray bottle and a funnel to prevent the mess. If you're as messy as I am, you're gonna want to add a towel. Once your tea has cooled down, pour it in the spray bottle. Thank God for the towel. Now it's ready to be used. Once you've sprayed it on your computer, You can wipe it with coffee filters. Use 1 to 2 filters. Wow, my computer has never been that clean. Perfect. If you want to see more useful DIYs, subscribe below. You won't regret it.